Hello, 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 my MDTD family. Thank you very much for stopping by. If you are new, welcome. If you've already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. So as you can see, I'm in my kitchen. I'm about to whip up something really fast. All right. But before we get started, please, I'm going to ask you to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Share with your friends and ask your friends to also share it with their friends. All right. So as you can see in the title, I'm about to whip up some chop suey, some chicken chop suey, MDTD style. All right. So just stay tuned, watch the process, and please comment and let me know if you like it. Let me know if you follow the recipe and how your recipe turns out. All right. It's just something simple. You can just whip it up for your family. And see how it turns out. All right, stay tuned. All right, and follow the process. All right, so as you can see, I have my chicken here, right, and I have my cabbage, my two main ingredients. All right, so just follow the process. All right. All right, guys. So as you can see, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut my chicken in some very thin strips. Right. I don't want them too big. Alright guys, so it's like this. Good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some vinegar to wash. Alright. Right, I like to wash my chicken or my meat with vinegar, and just get rid of the, well, we would say the rawness. Alright, but get rid of the any scent. All right, so just stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm finished washing my chicken. I'm about to season my chicken. So I have my grounded garlic. So I'm gonna put about maybe 1 teaspoon. Then I have my all-purpose chicken season. All right. Also going to put about 1.5 teaspoons. Right, you don't want to put too much because it's a bit salty. Then I also have my chicken season or seasoning. I'm going to put about 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning. Then I'm going to marinate it. That you can see what I'm doing here. All right. So just like this, all right? Let's look at that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to my stove, get the pot ready. Just Not too much, guys, alright? So just enough to grease the bottom of the pot. Okay guys, so my pot is ready. I'm going to put in my chicken. Let it cook a little bit. Alright, I need it to brown a bit. Okay guys, so I'm going to prepare my seasoning, my vegetable. I'm cutting up my green onion. Then I have my onion. I have my garlic. I like to cook with my garlic. Now if you don't like garlic, that's fine. My green bell pepper. And guys, I have washed everything, so if you see me cutting and not telling you that I washed, everything was already washed. And I have my tomato. And this is straight out of my garden. And I also have my Scotch bonnet pepper. Look at this. This is coming from my garden as well. Potent, so you don't want to use too much of it. You want to be conservative. If you don't like spicy food, then please, you don't have to put it in. Alright? So now I have all my vegetables chopped. I'm just going to put it in the pot. Let it saute for a bit. Just look at that, guys. Look at the color. Alright. What we're going to do, we're going to put in the cabbage and the carrot. And this does not take long to cook at all. As you know, cabbage doesn't take long to cook. Let's go in with the rest. And I'm using the flat cabbage, a soft flat cabbage, not the hard one. I'm going to put a little grounded black pepper. Alright, not too much. We already put in the Scotch bonnet. And then you just cover and let it simmer a bit. Alright, so I'll check back in with you soon. Look at that, guys. Look at the color. Sorry guys, I forget to mention that you need to add some soy sauce, right? So soy sauce, that's very important. This is important. This is necessary for color. So please go ahead and add your soy sauce. If you don't have soy sauce, you could just add some browning. Not too much. I add probably about a tablespoon of soy sauce there to give it the color. All right. So please go ahead and add your soy sauce to give it a little bit of color. All right. And again, let me know how it turns out. All right. Stay tuned. So guys, I am all done. It's really smelling good. It's really looking good. And I know that you can wait to see the finished product. And I'm telling you, it is smelling good. It is really looking good. All right. So let me give you a look at what the final product, the finished product is like. All right. So I'm serving it with rice. We have some tomato that's straight from my garden, and we have avocado. In Jamaica we say pear. All right, just look at this. Awesome. And don't tell me that it's not looking good and your mouth is not watering. It's hot, it's smelling good, it's nice. All right, so please go ahead and try my recipe, try my method. I'm sure that you will enjoy it, right? Let me know how it turns out. Leave a comment in the comment section. I appreciate your comment. And also, please remember to subscribe. Guys, we need you to subscribe. If you're watching this video, please subscribe. Please help me to get to 1,000 subscribers. I know that with your help, this channel will grow. Please ask your family and your friends, and ask your friends to ask their friends as well to subscribe. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoy the content, if you enjoy what we're putting out, please subscribe. Please subscribe and share. All right, thank you so much for watching. It's MDTD.